Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll be replacing the headlight in this 2001 Chevy S10 pickup. Basically the same as any 98 to 2004 S10 pickup with this style lights. Very easy procedure. You don't even need any tools, and we'll get right to it. You open up the hood, and then there's two locking tabs. You can see in the top of the screen there, I'm pulling up on them. Place those locking tabs there where they're safe and they don't fall in and you don't have to fish them out like I did a couple times. And then you pull the headlight forward and it's out. And then you can unplug your lights and service the bulbs if you need to do that. Or if, like you're doing, if a rock jumped up and hit the light or whatever, you can replace your entire headlight too. And then there's two slots that I'm going to spray some lubricant on just to make it easier to get everything together. Right there, that slot, and then I'll show you the tabs. These tabs go into those slots. Okay. The other thing is you don't want to pinch your wires. So I'm gonna plug in the harnesses here, and then I'm going to show you how to make sure you don't pinch the wires. Those tabs I showed you a few seconds ago, they also have tabs that come forward, and once you have one of these lights in your hands, you'll understand what I mean. But what you do is you take the harnesses and you put them up on top of the protruding tabs, and that keeps them from getting in behind the other tabs and getting caught between the metal and the plastic of the headlight. Okay, and then you put your headlight back in there, and this is a little ballet of kind of pushing on the downside of or the backside of the headlight, pushing in and down at the same time, and then getting everything to line up. And you can see down, there's a couple of holes that you can see down into to see how things are lined up. And then once you get it, it goes in, and then you put your locking tabs, which I didn't do a very good job of videoing there, I apologize. You put your locking tabs back on, and you're all set. We hope this helps you out. This video was brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person. Thank you very much.